This is Ancel BM300 battery and charging system monitor. You install it on your battery and it will keep an eye on your whole charging system for you. Anytime something will go wrong, either with battery or alternator, you will get a notification on your phone. So thanks to Ancel for sending me this over, and now let's install it and I will show you how to use it. For most of you, this clip you can connect under one of these bolts, but lucky for me it just fits on this metal part right here. I can just push it in and it holds. Now connect my ground. And now you want to place it directly on your battery so it can track temperature as well, temperature of your battery. Let me find some zip tie. I have to loosen up this bolt. Okay, should be enough. Okay, now push zip tie under. Okay, this will be enough for now. I actually want to use this battery monitor on another vehicle, but if you want to keep it longer, make sure it is secure. And now we have to download app. App is called Ancel BM300 Pro. We have to enable some permissions. Authorize add device. We have to input serial number, or maybe we can try scan it. Okay, this was easy. So scanning serial number worked perfectly. Now we have to tell app what are we connecting. In my case it's car, but you can connect bike, truck, battery on itself, even your boat if you have one. Type of battery, this is regular. Now it can also track your fuel consumption. I don't care about that really. We have to do some firmware update. Let's do that so everything works correctly. Okay, we have our upgrade and now we can use app. So already it is tracking battery voltage, temperature of battery. We can do cranking and charging tests. So it is already tracking data. Now let's verify how accurate is this device. Let's get multimeter. Check it out. Exactly same. So you can definitely trust this battery monitor to give you correct data. Okay, let's get outside and we will check the charging and cranking tests. Okay, I'm inside car. Now I have it set to cranking test, which should tell us if battery is okay. But you don't even have to look at this cranking test now. Once you have your battery monitor connected, you can just keep driving around and you can check results of cranking and charging anytime you want. So let's try it. Cranking. And check this out. I have reading of cranking voltage low. So I might have weak or bad battery. Now let's try charging test. Start testing. Step 1, idle speed test. Turn on all electrical equipment. So let's turn on headlights, AC, check. Okay, now it wants me to turn off everything. So turn off this, turn off headlights and keep RPM between 2500 and 3000. Start test. And now just let it idle with all components off. Okay, and we have results. Charging voltage okay. First test normal voltage. Second test also in expected range, and last and third test also came out okay. So I can say based on these readings that my alternator is okay, but since we didn't pass cranking test, either my battery is going bad or it needs some good recharge. Now if you have multiple cars, you can also track multiple cars with just one app. So can be helpful if you have a lot of cars, then you need to keep an eye on, so you know which one is low on battery. And bunch of extra features. You can go to this find car. You have history data from your drives. I don't have any since this is first time I am using it. You can manage devices if you have multiple cars. They say you can use up to 4 different devices with one app. And then settings. You can choose notifications, when you want to receive notifications, at which charge of battery, and bunch of other settings. For language you can do, there is wide selection of languages. And yeah, that is basically it. So very simple device, but once you install it, you don't have to worry about your battery or alternator. App will tell you everything and also keep some history data. You can even track fuel consumption if you want to. Ancel BM300 Pro. If you want to buy it, I will put link in description.